Transform your life with health and fitness. Run, jog, or walk with the T7603 motorized treadmill. Receive a better workout experience with an ample treadmill deck, providing more space to give you the confidence to go harder and faster. Pre-programmed one-touch speed buttons quickly go to the marked speed. The convenient multifunction handrail controls speed and allows you to stop and start your workout with ease while reading your pulse rate. 3 levels of adjustable incline increase your workout's intensity, while 6-point shock absorption system reduces the impact on the body while running or walking. The treadmill's center console holds 2 water bottles and displays all your fitness stats, including speed, time, distance, calories burned, along with 9 built-in fitness programs and body quality calculator, keeping your workout versatile and customizable. The convenient soft drop system controls your treadmill deck to slowly descend, protecting floors or injury. After a completed workout, utilize the transportation wheels and store away your treadmill. Take your fitness routine in stride and start.
Commit to your health and fitness goals today and get the machine designed to help you get there. The City L6 Treadmill from Proform. There's never been a better time to get in the best shape of your life. Made easier with integrated coaching streamed directly to your connected devices. With access to iFit's amazing video library, you can run along with some of the world's best fitness trainers as they take you on a journey to exotic locations across the globe. Once you
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Haven't changed over the years? Think again. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 is the top-of-the-line cardio experience that connects you with world-class incline control, streaming entertainment, and our secret sauce, the Journey Experience, offering an epic array of personalized features from an immersive 22-inch console. The Journey digital fitness platform is designed to keep you challenged for a long time, years, decades, and it's all from the comfort of your living room. A Journey membership keeps your runner's high going, allowing you to explore something new and personalized every day of the week, right from the HD touchscreen. Sprint through adaptive running workouts that get harder as you get fitter. Hightail it with trainer-led videos that don't scream at you. Crush new and evolving goals with a clever virtual coach that inspires your every move. Dash through scenic destinations around the planet and track your progress with metrics, rewards, and personal bests. If you can't decide between workouts and entertainment, don't. Now you can do both. A Journey membership allows you to binge shows and more on the HD touchscreen while putting in the day's work. The Journey Experience layers personalized adaptive workouts alongside your existing Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus accounts. You supply the subscription, we provide the magic. Head for the hills with the best incline capabilities. 5% decline, all the way up to 20% incline. Extended handlebar grips are specifically designed for high incline workouts, so you can take the high road or the low. Walk, jog, or mad dash at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. A 22 by 60 inch running pad features Comfort Tech deck cushioning. In-reach handrail controls allow you to change speed and incline without breaking your stride. The media rack holds your phone or tablet, while the built-in USB port keeps your devices fully juiced. A 22-inch console immerses you in all the amazing things the Treadmill 22 has to offer. After your workout, the 22 folds up nicely to maximize space for the other things in your life. When you're ready for your next workout, soft drop folding technology provides a gentle descent every time. With connectivity, variety, and personalized workouts at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to reach success. The Bowflex Treadmill 22.
Introducing the F80 Treadmill from Soul Fitness, a machine that can help you push your workout further, not hold you back. The F80 is rated the best treadmill in its class for a reason. The 3.5 HP motor is the most powerful and the quietest in the industry. wider running surface, similar to what you'd find at a gym. A cushioned deck so you can run faster, work harder with less wear on your knees. A strong frame and a large display screen give the machine a gym-like feel, all with the best warranty in the market. Your workout is important. You need a treadmill that can keep up with you, not the other.
Getting in shape has never been easier. With superior design and cutting-edge technology, NordicTrack's C1750 treadmill will get you there. With iFit integration, all of your favorite goals are within reach. Lose weight, improve your endurance, or increase your strength. iFit provides the coaching to make the most out of your workouts, on and off your treadmill. Keep track of all your vital stats on the crisp, full-color touchscreen, or use your own connected devices to access the full range of tools for your fitness and nutritional needs. Integrated coaching puts dozens of exercise videos at your fingertips. Follow along as your coach takes you on a fitness journey from scenic locations across the globe. Just pick your preferred course, and your treadmill will automatically adjust the speed and incline to match your chosen route. The spacious 22 by 60 inch deck uses the innovative flex cushioning technology to keep you running longer and with more comfort. And when your workout is complete, simply move your machine out of the way.